Etiefo me mamuni akwaba na nsɛm bi ɛkɔso ɛwɔ Ghana. Efi endra till ende Nana Aba Anamoah has been trending seriously on social media. Na mebo mu beti ase anse ne beto ase me subscribe na click the notification bell on so. We understand latest news bi aba wonsa ebe ka. 2 days ago ena trese me the story bremo na story no Sami Gyamfi a communication director of the opposition NDC. E de babonten a wo share some 51 names a wo susu say Akufo-Addo ne family and friends a wo de omo ashe aban mu. Na say friends and cronies and I family and cronies a Akufo-Addo de omo ashe aban mu asebe wo mu ye adwuma. Na genti ana Sami Gyamfi de assembly atoja ne say Mbrana Mahama what power so no Akufo-Addo spoke against family and friends government. Inti na Ghana for so say wo opposition na waka say tia sa de na ene won so wo ba wonya sa but Akufo-Addo ba no Sami Gyamfi say Akufo-Addo ye kra esen de Mahama ye no. Na we na trese ye ne nim say Nana Aba Anamoah wo ye TV host waka news ewo GH1. Inti wone abrante na wo moka news ewo GH1 wo mo report on this particular news. Wo we ye no na abrante no ebisa ne say Nana Aba Anamoah adwentre a wo ewo this particular thing na Sami Gyamfi e de atoja no. Eno ene sen eho ena Nana Aba Anamoah e ka say asembwe wo pese meka ne kre pa ena abrante ne ka say Nana Aba Anamoah ka ne kre eho Nana Aba Anamoah bie na no ena o ka say hwe asembwe de ekoso no Nana Aba Anamoah de so Ghana for ye sorry etia NDC ene MPP for na embra na NDC ewo power no MPP for so e the list babonti a wo mususu say list no e family and friends of Mahama NDC for ekaseti as a list no ende mo NDC so mo opposition a mo so makofa list na ba inti tre say NDC ni MPP de wo mutu ni na anya atwom na Ghana for e wo say yes sorry etia NDC ni MPP eno ne nsema Nana Aba Anamoah de tuja o wo kansem say MPP ni NDC for the Ghana for adwin diagro omo de Ghana for adwin diagro e wo say you forget wo mutu no tre say nsema Nana Aba Anamoah kan no na Ghana for ni age Ghana for bebre so far comment no na bebre ka say Nana Aba Anamoah wo akukudro se na waka nsem no nsem we wo ho ngofo bebre pese o mo kan so o muntumi nka even Shatawale ka me pese me read Shatawale poster wo make here na mo amu hu say yes Shatawale kra ebo Nana Aba Anamoah ba so say Nana Aba Anamoah wo akukudro asem we a wakan enti se na Ghanaian celebrities wo mo kasa on this particular thing no na akoye say ade a wo mu ni apese wo mo kasa efa ho but wo bia edin because wo bia suru sa MPP ni NDC nsem na me pese me read asema Shatawale or the two ja wo say welcome to Ghana when everyone is afraid to speak the truth. Where after Nana Aba Anamoah kan ansem no and Shatawale kasa say welcome to Ghana where everyone is afraid to speak the truth. Thank you Nana Aba Anamoah. I have received so many complaints myself from my fans, friends and business associates and boys selling on the street that the suffering is too much, and I wonder if the government is aware. It's time we stop pretending and speak the same language so this country can be better for us all. When it's sama Shatawale editu janatre say Shatawale eka say Nana Aba Anamoah nsema waka no why ade na me Shatawale kra no se ne ade bia nkrofo eka treme say wo mo bre no ba woni hwan koka ukobie wa no sisi a ye beba ba attack o. Na etie for the funny thing about this say Nana Aba Anamoah kan nsem we ya majority of Ghanaians born na baso say why ade no eho na MPP for authority and Nana Aba Anamoah afebehe. So far no I've not seen any NDC communicator attacking Nana Aba Anamoah, but MPP for send ya wo mo authority and Nana Aba Anamoah no enye easy. Chese wo mo say fioko wo kra no wo ye Mahama ne girl fioko wo ye chese enye easy o na MPP spokesperson ye beka MPP communicator ema MPP ewo amanone I think UK or America eden sembia betu abontin a tie for enye easy asema wo kan wo se Nana Aba Anamoah fioko yekom wo ho eden na wo kasa sa yekom wo de wudima ne se wo ne onnam fofo kunu ena eda wan kasa kope wukunu asema MPP communicator we a wo ye popular no ewo I think UK MPP UK ena tese wo de assembly abetudwa ena me se asemo na asemu ya Nana Aba Anamoah aken efa na ware ho like efa Iradi Yesu Christo Ghana na de se sia de Ghana obi abese obi abeka ne kre na Nana Aba kan say say mo de ntia if MPP fu buefu I understand because Nana Aba e de kan ho say na say ya Nana Akufo-Addo eko voter region na Nana Akufo-Addo eko tete Mahama wo hokrate so wo de say Mahama koto asema Nana Akufo-Addo ko kan wo voter region say Nyankopon sebe Nyankopon ni trimu nya den say Nyankopon ebema John Dramani Mahama asanso abetena so biom say John Dramani Mahama betena so anache say Nyankopon trimu odin pa no ni nsema Akufo-Addo kan inti no Nana Aba e de kan ho say Akufo-Addo wako voter region nanka e opportunity ma say wo beka ejuma wa ye aboa omo a wo voter region no ebia obeka se me ba voter region na me ba so say voter region ngrofo 10,000 eni ejuma ngrofo 100,000 eni ejuma eno ni asema na Aba account say Akufo-Addo wo ko voter region na kan same we na o say wo ko kan na ke ni kwan say wo ko kan sa nsem na wo ka fa Mahama ho no na mutu no ya bremo wo ne Mahama ya bremo eno na chese MPP for wo mo say hey ye koko apai wo mo be di na Aba atem etiefo attended easy social media and they say we need Twitter ni ye blastino say free hoko you come ho o the journalist o dey say Facebook blogger bi kraba say masa wo journalist pe na you member kasaba political issue and I'm say hey Ghana afei dia wo kan kra na nkrofo e di watem o kan kra na nkrofo e blasto Ghana inti no ene nsema e koso na die esre ne se Nana Aba die wo ye ne se wo be post short video of Ekuapem Polo na Ekuapem Polo brofo bia wo ka no entwaye ba na esre ba die na Ekuapem Polo e ka ne se masa mo amompem asem no mo mfiri mi so nko mo amo atake mo mfiri mi so ko nti a very short video Nana Aba be post ya wo de reply eye MPP communicators na no omudi na tem no and na caption na wo try ne se to the politicians attacking me for stating the truth ena tese wo kansa wo share senior Ghana for comment on sa video no so abon say yes intitie for no any banter between Nana Aba and the communicators so no any banter no ni asema e ko ba mpese me read some of the comment there obi can say you are NDC, what have you achieved in your shower life? Tell me, fancy woman. Pray to God that he will grant you more years, foolish woman. Inti asema ni bakone kan se Nana Aba ye NDC no free okọ eden na why wana brabo. Inti o sha still ngofo e di na tem. Ngofo e di na tem a enye easy. Inti no we be say she's a nice lady. Don't do that to her. She's a nice lady. Recently the NDC people insulted her for making pro MPP comments. Etiefo entiano ne asema wo bi kan se na nsenya Nana Aba ekokasama MPP ema NDC for be di na tem and then so asema waka na akoye se echi MPP for intino and MPP for so e di na tem that ya say intino Ghana de sa na me no asema we nya me wawa me try me kasa say de dia me ka tremo say me post story bia sometimes we go say MPP for eba e be di matem. Sometimes NDC for so ba ebe di matem. Number na that's no ngofo to me frame di matem because almost say me NDC ni. Ngofo to me frame di matem because almost say me MPP ni. Things like this I'm used to. Oh, I am used to. Eya normal. Ghana there sisi a wo kan say bi na etwi political party bia of na ya so ya can say oh you belong to this political party but me can say wo mo NDC mu a wo mu di na ba na mo atem embra wakasa ye akasa na wakan no na kwama MPP no wo mo NDC mu no se Nana Aba wo MPP mu what's wrong with it? Me be some question no if Nana Aba belongs to the MPP embra NDC for wo mu di na tem no what's wrong with it? Wo mo MPP mu so wo mu di na tem friend say wo ye Mahama's girl na wo ye NDC ni no and also me be some say Nana Aba wo ye NDC ni what's wrong with it? So wo ye MPP ni atese mo obi anye NDC ni ana. So wo so ye NDC ni mo obi anye MPP ni ana. Even aside that kind of asema Nana Aba kan no what was wrong with the statement? Go blasting 2 political parties in there. Me comment there will be because oh Nana Aba Namawa was said that no blasting NDC for na assembly there na work MPP. And I was said that was person Ghana for who say wo ye faint was said that the NDC efemu na Ghana for who say oh okay we blasting NDC ni MPP. And I say hey Ghana for tese bi bie ni wa tese ya tese eso muni o. Ni pa ko ne ka set ya NDC a MPP for be NDC for be din atem. O ka set ya MPP a MPP for be din atem. Afa wa ka set ya 2 political parties no. We go say ba ko e ka so oh NDC ni fioko ba shada na wo ka set ya o. Hey they in Ghana for a day import say they say we don't understand say people are different from us and so their choices are different from our choices. So I don't know ngofo nti ase o obi NDC ni edi na tem obi kasama NDC ni edi na tem na so wo kasama MPP no obi a medi watam yo nti obi adwen enye wa adwen ana wo pe emo wo bi pe fufuo we are different monti wo ase sa eno ni nsema etwe go tie for monti mo adwen e comment box ni mo me da say